Yeah, good morning, students. So let us today go through this new question based on secondary distribution. Okay. So the question reflects you. Bharat Engineering Works has 3 production department ABC and 1 service department S. Okay. Expenses for the month of for a period of 12 months is given. That means yearly expenses है. So ये सब क्या है मेरा indirect cost. Okay. Yeah. So don't forget this, that this is my indirect cost. Now these are my best possible ratios, and I will see which indirect cost will be divided or apportioned in the best suitable ratio. So I have rent in front of me. So rent will be in the ratio of floor area. Okay, floor area. You can reduce the ratio as you want, or you can keep it as it is. आपके ऊपर है, आपको रेशियो रिड्यूस करना है तो रिड्यूस कर सकते हो. ओके, ऐसे रखना है ऐसे भी रख सकते हो. तो 6 5s are sorry 5 6s are 5 5s are 5 9s are and 5 4s are. So 6 is to 5 is to 9 is to 4. This is the ratio. Next, power. Power will be in the ratio of horsepower of machine. So I'm writing here horsepower. Okay. If you want, you can further reduce this ratio or you can keep it as it is. Okay. It's up to you. So 5 8s are 40, 5 6s are 30, 5 6s are 30, and 5 13s are 65. So this is the ratio. Yes. Next, indirect wages. If you don't want to reduce, you can keep it as it is. Calci will take care of the calculations. Okay. Next is indirect wages. Now, indirect wages ke liye I have direct wages in front of me. So I will divide it in the ratio of direct wages. Okay. You can drop down the zeros. Yeah. And reduce the ratio. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So dropping down to 2 4s are, 2 9s are, 2 7s are, and 2 6s are. So 6 is to 7 is to 9 is to 4 will be the ratio. Next, depreciation of machine will be in the ratio of cost of machine. Okay. So cost of the machine, right? So my ratio, drop down to zeros again. Yeah, there are how many zeros? Okay, 4 zeros you can drop. Yeah. So 5 is to 6 is to 8 is to 1 will be the ratio. Okay? Yeah. 5 is to 6 is to 8 is to 1 the ratio. Next, electricity. So electricity will be on the basis of number of light points. So on the basis of light points. So it is already a reduced ratio. 7 is to 7 is to 9 is to 5. Next comes canteen expenses. So for that I have my number of workers. So my canteen expenses will be based on number of workers. Okay. Yeah. Right. So number of workers ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 6 is to 2. Fine. Yeah. Anything else? Yeah. The last line says that services rendered by service department S to production department ABC is in the ratio of 30 is to 20 is to 50 is to, yeah. So you have to redistribute S to A, B, and C in the ratio of 30 is to 20 is to 50. Okay, but the primary distribution के बाद आपको क्या करना है? आपको secondary distribution करना है. ठीक है? Yeah. So S is redistributing. So let us start with the sum. Prepare this. This is a statement of calculation of overheads. So just a minute. So write it here. Statement. Overheads distribution summary you can write, or you can write primary distribution. Overheads distribution summary. Okay. So here I have my particulars. Okay. Then after particulars, what do I have? I have the ratio. Then I have the total with me. Then my production department A, B, C, and my service department S. Okay. Okay. So only these many columns are there. Start with first is rent. Rent is in the ratio of floor area. Correct? Yeah. So just write down floor area. Floor area का ratio कितना दिया था? 6:5:9:4. Okay? Yeah. And the total was 36,000. ठीक है, तो आपको इसको इस रेशियो में डिवाइड करना है. नेक्स्ट आपको क्या लेना है? पावर. पावर इज इन द रेशियो ऑफ हॉर्स पावर ऑफ मशीन. Okay, so that is 13. We have already calculated the ratio. 13 is to 6 is to 8. So 8250. Okay. Next, you have to take indirect wages. Okay. Indirect wages. This will go in the ratio of direct wages. Okay. So we had already distributed it. 6 is to 7 is to 9 is to 4. Okay. How much? 5,200 को हमको divide करना है. Next will be after indirect wages will be depreciation. Depreciation will be on the basis of cost of machine. Okay. So what was the ratio? 5 is to 6 is to 8 is to 1. And the cost is 22,000. Okay. Yeah. So you have to distribute 22,000 in this ratio. Next after depreciation is electricity. Okay. So electricity is on the basis of number of light points. Okay. So light points का ratio क्या था? Already दिया हुआ है. 7 is to 7 is to 9 is to 5. Okay. 7 is to 7 is to 9 is to 5. And it will be distributed among 5,600. Okay. Next, after electricity, it is canteen expense. Okay. Canteen expense. It will be based on number of workers. Okay. So number of workers आपके कितने हैं? 2 is to 3 is to 6 is to 2. Okay. So 6,500. Next. डोंट फॉरगेट वो जो आपका डायरेक्ट वेजेस है वो इसके लिए इनडायरेक्ट वेजेस है. किसके लिए? सर्विस डिपार्टमेंट के लिए. ओके. सो यू डोंट टेक फॉर प्रोडक्शन बट यू डू कंसिडर फॉर सर्विस. ओके. सो दैट पार्ट विल बी देयर. ठीक है. ओके. सो let us distribute 36,000 in this ratio. Yeah. So 6 plus yeah, let me distribute that. Yeah. So 6 plus 5 is how much? 11. 11 and 9 is 20. So it is 24. So 36,000 divided by 24. Just a minute. 36,000 divided by 24. Okay. ठीक है. Equal to sign into. ठीक है. याद रखना. So 1500 into 6. So it is 9,000. So right here 9,000. Next 1500 into 5. So that will give me 7,500. 1500 into 9. So you can go this way also. This is also the shortcut. Into 9 is 13,500. And 1500 into 4 is 6,000. Okay. Just a minute. It is 6,000. ठीक है. और ये सब ऐड करके आपको ये आंसर मिलना चाहिए. ऑब्वियसली इट इज एज सिंपल एज दैट. ओके. वही मिलेगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट व्हाट आर यू गोना टेक? Next, what are you gonna consider? Your power. Power you will distribute in which ratio? In this ratio. 13 and 6 is 19. 19 and 6 is 25. 25 and 8 is 33. So 8250 divided by 33. Okay, 250. So 250 into 13 is 3250. Okay, so 3250. Okay, 250 into 6. Okay, is 1500. 250 into 6 again same thing, 1500. 250 into 8 is 2000. Okay. Yeah. Next 5200 in this ratio. 6 and 7 is 13. 13 and 9. Okay. Yeah. 13 plus 9 plus 4 is how much? 26. So 5200 divided by 5,200 divided by 26. So 200 into 6 is 1200. 200 into 7 is 1400. 200 into 9 is 1800. And 200 into 4 is 800. Okay, so this is how you will distribute. Then 22,000 divide with this ratio. 5 is to 6, 11, 11 and 8, 19, 19 and this is 20. So this will become how much? 11,000. So 11,000, sorry, 11, what do you call it? 1100. 1100 into 5 is 5,500. 1100 into 6 is 6,600. 1100 into 8 is 8,800. You can do it orally if you want, if you are smart enough in that. Next, 5,600 divided in this ratio. 7 and 7 is 14. 14 and 5 is 19. 19 and 9 is 28, right? Yeah. So 5,600 divided by 28, it is 224. So 224 into 7 is how much? 1568. So 1568. Okay. I guess I did a calculation error. 7 plus 7 is 14, right? Plus 9 is 23. 23 plus 5 is 28. Yeah, it's right. 5,600 divided by 28. Okay, it's 200. I'm so sorry. 200 into 7 is 1400. This is also 1400. This is 1800. 200 into 5 is 1000. Okay. Then divide this in this ratio. 6,500. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 and 6 is 11. 11, 12, 13. So 6,500 divided by 13 is how much? 500. 500 into 2 is 1000. 500 into 3 is 1500. This is also one of the shortcuts. 500 into 6 is 3000. 500 into 2 is 1000. Okay. Yeah. So yes, now you can total this. Yeah. So what you will get? Primary distribution of overheads. Okay. So this total is called as primary distribution. Or you can write total of primary distribution. Okay. Total of primary distribution. So इसको total करो. ये सबको total करो. Okay. So this will be how much? 9,000 plus 3250 plus 1200 plus 5,500 plus 1,400 plus 1,000 is how much? 21,350. 21,350. Next total, yeah. And do press M plus sign on your calci, yeah. So 7,500 plus 1,500 plus 1,400 plus 6,600 plus 1,400 plus 1,500. कितना हुआ? 19,900. Okay, and do press M plus on the calci so that your other calculations are taken care of and time is not wasted. 1,300 plus 1,500 plus 1,800 plus 8,800 plus 1,800 plus 3,000. So 30,400. Okay. Last one. Yeah. Do press M plus. Yeah. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8,800 plus this will be 2,100 plus 9,000. कितना हुआ? 19,900. ओके. डू प्रेस M प्लस और फिर सीधा MRC बटन प्रेस करो तो आपको डायरेक्टली ये वाला टोटल मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? या ओके. 36,000 plus 8,250 plus 5,200 plus 22,000 plus 5,600 plus 6,500 plus 8,000. Okay, so my answer is 91,550. 91,550. आप ये चारों को ऐड करके भी देख सकते हैं, आपको सेम टोटल मिलेगा 21,350. इसलिए मैंने आपको M प्लस दबाने बोला सो दैट आपको डायरेक्टली MRC से आंसर मिल जाए. 3,400 प्लस 19,900. ओके, इट हैज टू टैली. ओके, सो ये हो गया हमारा प्राइमरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंप्लीट. अब हमें क्या करना है? सेकेंडरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ओके, सो आई एम टेकिंग इट फर्दर. I'm taking it further to secondary distribution. So I'm just writing it here. Yeah. Secondary distribution, or you even call it as repeated distribution. Okay, repeated distribution. Okay. अभी आप इसमें देखो क्या रिपीट होने वाला है. वो लोग ने बोला S1 को रिपीट करना है. करेक्ट? Yeah. Rearrange that. Yeah. S is your, yeah. सो ये पूरा का पूरा 19,900 में एलोकेट कर दूंगी, बराबर, या which ratio, in the ratio which is given in the question, that is 30 is to 20 is to 50, 30 is to 20 is to 50 के रेशियो में वो लोग ने बोला है डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो। तो चलो करते हैं, 19,900 या डिवाइड बाय 100, okay, so 199, okay, 199 into 30, 5970, 5970 इधर ही ऐड होगा, हाँ, नेक्स्ट 199 into 20, 3980, 3980, it will be added, and next 50, correct, 199 into 50, 9950, so 9950 ये भी इधर ऐड होगा। आपको चाहिए, अब आपका आंसर क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हो ये तीनों को ऐड करके, 3980 प्लस 5970, सी इट हैज टू बी 19,900, ठीक है, आगे मेरा ये आंसर, यस। अभी इसको टोटल करके देखो, इसको टोटल कर दो, देखो जरा, या ऐड करो, 21,350, 19,900 प्लस ये 3980 कितना होता है, 23,880, ठीक है, 23,880, नेक्स्ट 3,400, सॉरी 30,400 प्लस 9,950 कितना हुआ, 4,350, so right here 4,350, okay, next, और यस वो एम प्लस मत दबाना भूलना, या 21,350 प्लस 5,970 इज 27,320, 27,320, ये तीनों को भी ऐड करके देखो, प्लस 23,880 प्लस 4,350, 91,550, right? This total will not change, as I told you. This total will not change. Okay, sorry, I should have written it down. Yeah, this total will not change, 91,550, और ये हो जाएगा nil, ठीक है। अब ये वापस से रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं होगा, why? Because the loop has stopped, okay, your loop has stopped, okay, I repeat, the loop has stopped, ये नील हो गया ना, अभी इसमें और कुछ है ही नहीं रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए, तो ये वन स्टेप में आपका सेकेंडरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंप्लीट हो गया इन दिस सम, ओके, so this was a very short and simple redistribution, okay, so this completes, yeah, so this completes the sum, okay, so what have you done, इसमें क्या है, एस ने ए बी सी को दे दिया, पहले वाले सम्स में क्या था, एस ए बी सी को भी देता था और अपने एक या काउंटर पार्ट को भी देता था, S1 S2 ऐसा, ओके, सो this is also a sum based on primary and secondary distribution of overheads, right? So next lecture we will look into some other secondary distribution overhead sum.